guys, it's Danielle with Danielle Gets It Done, and this is my Essential Rewards Young Living haul for the month of October.
Gonna love you, honey, on and on and on. I'm a morning dove singing out a song.
I do these hauls monthly, so if you like these types of videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button. And I also sell Young Living oils, so if you need any help, be sure to connect with me. I don't really remember what I ordered this month, but I do remember the main thing I ordered, and I'm so excited. And that is the Desert Mist Diffuser. You guys, okay, this, I have to say I'm a little bit bitter. When I ordered the premium starter kit, it did not come with this diffuser. It came with another diffuser, which is fine. Like, it does its job. It does a really good job, but I don't think it's that pretty. And this one just has a bunch of really cool features. And about 2 weeks after I ordered mine, they started offering this one with the starter kit. So I've been really jealous, and I finally got my own. If you are new to Young Living, I feel like this diffuser in the starter kit makes the whole thing worth it. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Woo. Look at that detail. This is gonna look so good with my IKEA lamps on my bedside. It's just gorgeous. It lasts longer. It has different lights, I believe, different colors. Mine just has one color, it's blue. And the other, I think almost best thing about this is you can either have it come out continuously or on and off, which is actually more recommended. A, it lasts longer and it's just better for you. I am so excited. I think I'm gonna put the old one in the nursery. I'm halfway through my pregnancy with my second child, and I think it'll be good to diffuse like lavender and oils that help baby sleep. So, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. Oh, I got another lipstick. I really like Young Living lipsticks. They have a whole makeup line called Savvy Minerals, and I think this is my third lipstick. It's called Uptown Girl, and ooh, I thought this was really pretty for the fall. I have really chapped lips. I like it. I have really chapped lips, and man, it went from summer to winter here in Minnesota. I'm not kidding. It was in the low 40s this week. It just happened really fast, so my lips are even more chapped than usual. And this lipstick is really moisturizing, so I love it. Let's move on to oils. Oh, it smells so good. Cypress. I have never smelled cypress, but I tend to go for like the grounding, earthy, piney, I don't know, that kind of scent. And I think this might be a good scent for the fall. Ooh. Yeah, I can't really think of anything to compare it to, but it's very earthy and grounding, I would say. I don't know if I love it enough that I would just diffuse this alone, but I think it'd be really good in a blend. Let me know what you use cypress for if you use it. Lavender. Oh my goodness, you guys, I've been out of lavender. That's so stressful. If you love essential oils, you know that's really stressful. And Young Living lavender specifically, I feel like is so good. I use lavender a lot. Mainly, I use it sometimes on my face I mix it in with my cold cream. I use wool dryer balls in my laundry, and I really like lavender in there, especially on my sheets. My sheets come out smelling so peaceful and amazing. So I'll put a couple drops on each wool dryer ball and throw that in with my laundry in the dryer. Let's see, I diffuse this a lot. And I think I might do a tutorial on this. I put it in my Epsom salts for baths. And it's just, feels like you're at a spa in your house. You get a freebie if you're an Essential Rewards member and you spend a certain amount, and this month the $100 mark is oregano. Oh my goodness. I feel like this is just gonna smell like a pizza. Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, it smells like a Southern Italian restaurant. Let me know what you use this for. So this is the Vitality line. This white label is a little different, which means it's FDA approved for internal consumption. So some people actually will cook with this, put a drop in their sauces or whatnot. I'm pretty conservative. I really don't consume essential oils. I do rarely, especially now that I'm pregnant. But yeah, let me know what you use this for. I don't know if you would diffuse it, would you? I feel like there's gotta be some good medicinal things that oregano is good for, so for sure let me know. Ooh, just one more and I have no idea what it is. Oh, two more, oh my word. Peppermint, I did not order peppermint. Oh, you know why? Yeah. I'll talk about the last two together. Peppermint and tangerine. I didn't order these, so I was confused, but now I remember. When you buy the Desert Mist on its own, so not in a kit, just buy it like I did today, they send you a 5 ml of peppermint and a 5 ml of tangerine. I actually am diffusing peppermint right this minute because my husband has a migraine. Tangerine, I don't think I've ever smelled tangerine. I really like the citrus oils too. I like earthy and I like citrus. And it being the fall and almost the holiday season, I feel like citrus is really good to diffuse with a Thieves blend, and it just screams coziness. I think that's everything. Thank you so much for watching. I can't tell you how excited I am for my Desert Mist Diffuser. Oh my word. So this retails for, I think, $85. Their diffusers are not cheap, but let me tell you, they are high quality. I've gotten cheap ones at Target and my room barely smells like the essential oils. This distributes the scent so well. So I definitely think they're worth the money. And the starter kit is $130 and it comes with this and 10 essential oils, a bunch of samples. So, I mean, look how beautiful this is. You would get this and 10 oils for $130. It's totally worth it. And I love the golds. I'm so excited. Okay, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Again, I'd love it if you'd hit that subscribe button. Have a wonderful day, and whatever your plans are, I hope you get them done. Bye, guys.
Ooh.